I am very pleased to represent National Bank at the International Economic Forum of the Americas for this panel about Green for Growth. At National Bank, we put people first. Our one mission exists to have a positive impact in people's lives. Our commitment to major environmental, social, and governance is strong. As part of that commitment, in August 2019, National Bank was the first of the big 6 banks to sign the North American signatory of the United Nations Principles for Responsible Banking. National Bank has pledged net zero in finance emissions by 2050. As well, National Bank has already the lowest emissions by employee, square feet, and revenues in the Canadian industry. We believe the business community has a key role to play in building the world of tomorrow. We're powered by the energy, ideas, and passion of many of our change partners, and we are truly grateful for the opportunity to make a difference. With no further ado, I'd like to introduce our keynote speaker, Jean-Pascal Tricoire, Chairman and CEO of Schneider Electric, who will be interviewed by Sean O'Neill, Partner and Industry Group Leader at McCartney Tetro. Have a great conference, everyone.